Hello all you brave people out there in Redland. Welcome to this tutorial about Conform and Render with ClipMeister RD. When offline editing is finished, we will get an EDL of selected takes from our project. We switch to EDL. Holding the Control key, we can choose between Red 16 or CMX format. Using Avid, Red 16 is the better choice. If using CMX, the clip names must be included as a comment. EDL clips automatically link to the clips from the rushes, complete with metadata, notes, ranks, and color corrections. Layouts of EDL and Conform are corresponding to the layouts of clips and rushes. Of course, they show EDL timecode instead of trim timecode. If necessary, we can add head and tail frames. At the bottom, we can find information about total program length. At this point, we can go back to color correction and readjust our settings. Please check that other tutorial to learn more about color correction in ClipMeister RD. Render settings can be accessed directly or from the menu. They can be edited or duplicated as necessary. Clips were shot in 4K HD, so this one is a good starting point. Output size will be 1920 by 1080. We can choose other parameters as necessary: format, resolution, filter, codec, number of processors. Then, settings are applied to all visible clips. The values for crop and size are property of the individual clip. Other values, like format and resolution, apply to all clips. The button, Render EDL Timecode, will start the render process for the actual clip. Switching to Conform or EDL, we can render all visible clips in one go. Before the render process is launched, we get some information about it: number of clips, number of frames, and estimated space. Launching the render process opens a separate status window. This will keep us informed what's happening. All render processes run in the background, so we are able to continue working on the clips. Let's open the render folder. This fills up with our final rendered clips. Besides that, it also contains a shell script file, which shows the complete redline commands of the render job. It can be edited and relaunched in the terminal. With folders selected accordingly, it can also be launched on a different machine. For this purpose, the dialog provides a script-only button. Let's check another important Conform feature of ClipMeister RD. Make AL in batch will write an Avid AL file and a Final Cut Batchlist. Both, again, include all metadata from the clips. AL file in Batchlist can be used for easy import of rendered files into other machines, or to conform and finish directly with Avid or Final Cut. As you might have learned in that other tutorial, ClipMeister RD can handle audio files as well. Let's check our first rendered clip. The red file does not contain any audio. In ClipMeister RD, we have synchronized the clip with wave audio before exporting for offline editing. In Conform, all clips from the EDL are correctly relinked to the wave audio files. When rendering DPX or TIFF files, a separate audio file will be written.
Da vergeht einem echt der Appetit.
Rendering QuickTime, as we did here, the audio track is part of the clip. Let's summarize what we learned today. First, import EDL into ClipMeister RD. Second, add head and tail frames to clips from the EDL. Third, readjust color settings of EDL clips 4th, choose render settings. 5th, render clips in final resolution. Thanks for watching and see you next time.